As she read her husband's letter, Laura cried. It wasn't possible. How could he hurt her? She imagined they would spend their lives together, but her husband had other intentions. His wife was about to become a millionaire, but he didn't know. Soon, he'd regret abandoning her. Jack abruptly left Laura after 7 years of marriage. They met in college. Laura initially didn't like Jack, but she eventually did. Married 3 years later. Laura felt lucky to have Jack as a companion for 7 years. Then everything changed. Laura couldn't believe her husband's note. She shook and paled. Is this a sick joke? Laura phoned her lawyer. She had to hurry. Laura loved her husband, but their marriage wasn't perfect. Jack, a college dropout, had trouble finding work. Laura's salary couldn't support them. She hoped things would improve. She erred. Laura bought a lottery ticket while grocery shopping. She never imagined winning a lot of money. The final result stunned her. Millionaire. Laura wanted to scream and call her friends, but she kept calm. Laura calmly finished her shopping and drove to work to tell her manager she was quitting. If you like my videos, don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks in advance. She drove home to tell her husband. She didn't know Jack had a surprise for her. It'd be unpleasant. Laura summoned her husband. She entered the kitchen with the lottery ticket, excited. Jack was missing. Laura saw a note for her on the kitchen table. Dear wife, the letter began. I'm leaving you forever. Jack wrote that he had been a good husband to her for years but had nothing to show for it. Laura read in disbelief. Jack accused Laura of cheating or neglecting him. He said she didn't notice his haircut last week and stopped eating dinner with him. He left her saying he didn't love her anymore. Laura laughed while crying. He was unaware. She dialed a lawyer. She wouldn't give her ex-husband her money or future properties. She set up a meeting with her lawyer and showed him Jack's note. Her plan, successful. Laura's lawyer promised her that Jack would never see a penny. Ex-husband was their signature. Laura wanted to tell Jack what he left, but she wanted the divorce to go smoothly. After reading Jack's letter, Laura realized everything happened for a reason. She couldn't stay sad since she became a millionaire. Her ex-fate. Husbands. Laura wrote Jack after signing the divorce papers. She was honest. Laura wrote that Jack was never a good husband. He lived off her money for 7 years, watched her quit her office job to support him when he was unemployed, and never once thanked her. Jack's response to her letter? Jack never contacted Laura after the divorce. She hopes he got her letter, though. How would you handle Laura's situation? Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.